If your air conditioner is leaking water from the unit itself, then we got the fix for you. This can be done by yourself, so no need to wait for the technician. Generally, when the AC is leaking water, it is because of a clogged drain pipe. You need to reach the drain pipe and clean it to remove any blockages. This happens often when the drain pipe outside is very long or has multiple bends. Let me show you the first method. For this, we need to dismantle the AC cover. Stick around, as I will show you a second method after this. First, we will remove the filters. These are easily detachable and give them a good clean with water if they are filled with dust. Then remove the screws on the AC. There are usually 4 screws. After these are done, take off the air condition cover. Usually, there are 3 plastic clips on top of the cover that can be undone with a flat screwdriver. Then the cover will come loose and you will be able to take it off. Once cover is off, you need to find the drain pipe, which is located under the flaps at the bottom of the unit. Remove the tape connecting the AC drain to the outside drain. Empty the pipe in a bucket so no mess is done. Now you can attach a vacuum cleaner to suck dirt, hair, and even algae that might be in the drain pipe. If you don't own a vacuum cleaner, you can also do this with a water pipe. Put the water pipe into the drain pipe leading to outside and switch it on. The water pressure will remove the blockage in the drain pipe. After this step is done, it's time to reassemble the AC unit. Place the AC drain pipe into the outside drain pipe, as they were before, and connect them with electrical tape. Don't use any silicone, as it will create another blockage. The cover is up next. Once put into place, screw the 4 screws back tightly. Place the cleaned filters into the AC, and that's it. You should be ready to go. You can test out the results pretty quickly. You just need to turn on the AC on the lowest temperature. This will create condensation quickly due to the big drop in temperature, and if it doesn't drip, then it's fixed. You can also check the outside drain pipe to see that water is coming out of it. Now the second method is by working solely on the outside drain. Go to the end of the pipe, and again, we would need a vacuum cleaner for this to suck out all the dirt. If you don't have a vacuum cleaner, use a water hose instead. When using a water hose, you will need to take out the pipe from this end and fill it with water till it is cleaned. This will ensure that water flows properly and you won't have any more leaks. Hope this helped you fix your leaking air conditioner. For more appliance tips, make sure to subscribe.